Alright, y'all. So today is the day that I wash my freaking hair, y'all. It's about that time. She's feeling oily. I haven't washed her since the last time. I'm lying. I have washed her. I tried to wash her with some soap and some African black soap, but the brand wasn't a good brand because it left my hair feeling like there was residue still stuck in my hair. So I didn't like how it felt. So I got a new brand which has really good reviews, and I'm gonna use that. And you know, we're gonna do a deep conditioner. Let me show you what we're deep conditioning with. Alright, so I got my cup and my spoon. I got some mayonnaise and I got some good old olive oil. So we're gonna do a deep conditioning protein. We're gonna do a protein deep conditioning, a high protein deep conditioning today, because I need it. So let's get into it. So that's like a half a cup of mayonnaise and a tablespoon of olive oil. Alright, y'all, so here I am about to put the mayonnaise and olive oil deep conditioner in my hair. I thought I had high porosity hair, but I don't. I did the test of where you put your hair strand in the water and my hair floated, so I have low porosity hair. And I'm just confused, you know, because I have all this breakage. So I'm thinking maybe it's probably stress that's making my hair break out, or I don't know. But we're going to figure it out because something has to give. Alright, y'all. So I decided to use the good old fashioned mayonnaise and olive oil deep conditioning because, you know, I've been doing it since I was, you know, a teenage girl, and it always works. And a mayonnaise and olive oil deep conditioning treatment, it acts as an intensive moisture boost, primarily designed to hydrate, soften, and reduce frizz in dry, damaged, or brittle hair. The combination offers intense hydration from oils and potential strengthening benefits from egg proteins, helping to seal the hair cuticle and improve manageability, which I really need. I probably just need a trim, but this and the trim is really going to do what it's supposed to do for my hair. The key benefits of the treatment is its intense hydration and moisture locking. Mayonnaise contains oils that stimulate natural sebum, while added olive oil boosts the effect, deeply penetrating the hair shaft to reduce frizz and combat dryness, because my ends are really dry. As well as mayonnaise is made of egg yolks, which are rich in amino acids and proteins that help rebuild, strengthen, and repair damaged or processed hair, reducing the breakage. So that's what I'm looking for. I need to reduce the breakage in my hair. Alright, you guys, so that's my time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, it's your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.